Welcome once again to the Daily Message. As I mentioned yesterday, I am reflecting on the question, what does God want us to be and call us to do in this year of 2020? And I'm looking at that especially in light of this year's upcoming election in November. So yesterday, I reflected on the first of the Beatitudes. Blessed are the poor in spirit. And today I want to reflect on the second one. Blessed are those who mourn. So as we think about candidates and elections this year at every level, I ask us to reflect on and listen to those in our society who are mourning, those who are suffering because of lost income, because of lost family members, because of the loss of a job, or the loss of health, or the loss of safety. There are men and women deployed around the world, and their families who are left behind are mourning, in a way, the fact that they can't be with their loved ones. And so as we reflect this year, this important election year, on who we wish to vote for and what issues are most important to us, I think it's important to remember those who are mourning. And I want to add one other group as well. Those who have been victims of violence, domestic violence, and any kind of violence. I think it's important to remember them and to think about policy decisions that affect those who mourn because they or their loved ones have been victims of violence. And so, once again, I hope this little reflection has been helpful. I hope it has triggered some thoughts as we prepare for primaries, as we prepare for debates, and as we prepare for elections in this coming year. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day today.